Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has less than 25,000 miles. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a rear step bumper, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.